Hello everyone, my name is Jayantech. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in first semester in Ferrari section. Subject Introduction to Civil Engineering. Subject code BESCK104A. Topic Criteria for Landfill Selection. Urban Flood Control. Enhancing urban resilience, effective criteria for landfill selection, and urban flood control strategies. Introduction. In this presentation, we will discuss criteria for landfill selection and effective urban flood control strategies to enhance urban resilience. These are crucial aspects for sustainable urban development and disaster management. Urban resilience. Urban resilience refers to the ability of a city to withstand and recover from disasters such as floods and to adapt to changing environmental conditions. It involves sustainable infrastructure and effective disaster management. Landfill selection criteria. Selecting the right location for a landfill is crucial to prevent environmental pollution and ensure public health. Criteria include geological stability, distance from water sources, and impact on local communities. Waste management. Effective waste management is essential for reducing the need for landfills. Strategies include recycling, composting, and waste to energy technologies to minimize the amount of waste sent to landfills. Urban flood control. Urban areas are vulnerable to flooding due to impermeable surfaces and poor drainage systems. Effective strategies include green infrastructure, stormwater management, and floodplain zoning. Green infrastructure. Green infrastructure such as green roofs and urban wetlands can absorb and slow down stormwater, reducing the risk of urban flooding and enhancing ecosystem services in cities. Community engagement involving local communities in flood risk management and landfill planning is essential for building resilient cities. Community input can lead to more effective solutions and public acceptance. Case studies. Examining successful case studies of landfill management and urban flood control can provide valuable insights for other cities. Learning from real world examples can guide best practices. Challenges and opportunities. There are challenges in implementing effective landfill selection and urban flood control strategies, but also opportunities for innovation and sustainable development is collaboration is key. Conclusion. In conclusion, enhancing urban resilience through effective landfill selection and flood control strategies is essential for creating sustainable and resilient cities. Collaboration, innovation, and community engagement are vital for success. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel.